What's the next big technical buy signal? Where do we have to go on the upside? We brought in from the Market Gates Group managing director there, Michelle Snyder. Michelle, I know you're a chartist. What's the magic number we're looking for now to sort of, give us a sense that this bounce is more than just, we're going back and forth, that maybe urgency to get involved here?
Well, first, Charles, you're absolutely right that yesterday was key because what it did was trade within the inside of the trading range on Friday. And when that low didn't break, what we needed to see today was for it to clear 310, 310.50 when we're looking at the Qs. So right now, that's sort of the few number that we have to hold, with 312 being pivotal. As far as the upside overhead resistance to clear right now, we're looking first off at 320 is going to be the biggest area because we came in a caution phase, which means we're under the 50. And in order for us to get back over to a bullish phase, we have to get back over that 320 level. So that's what we're going to be looking for. 310 to hold, 312 pivotal, 320 key.
It's interesting what the Qs, which is a more focus on the semiconductors, is they were up on talk of a shortage, and then they really became weak on talk of a glut. How do you reconcile something like that? I mean, will you use the chart to break out 320, get involved? Because I think the semiconductors are really the most important sector right now, considering the direction of this world.
Well, a couple of things is that, first of all, the semiconductors have been really basically in a huge uptrend since 2012. So to have somewhat of a correction there, considering that they're very yield sensitive, made sense. And then the value play, of course, came in because of the anticipation of the economic recovery post-COVID. But yes, semiconductors, right, there's actually a shortage of them, and these growth stocks aren't to be discounted. I was thrilled to see this correction because it made a lot of the stocks that we were watching finally affordable with a good risk parameter.
All right, Michelle, I have to, though, get, before we go into this close here, I need a last trade idea from you.
Well, I have two. One, if we're looking at the FANG stocks, I'm particularly fond right here of Facebook. It corrected and held better than some of the other FANG stocks, and now it's clearing the 50-day moving average. And the other one, considering it's a space that also got really hammered, is SunPower in the solar space, because that too held up better than some of the other solar stocks. And right now, that has to hold on to 32 as its level of support.
Tomorrow we'll be up or down. What do you think?
I think we're going to see follow through to the upside.
All right, that's what we want to see. So we got Facebook, we got SPWR, both act great today. I appreciate it. Last trades, you gave us two, our lucky day. Speaking of lucky, guys, this has been a real